My tito is a seasoned seaman. His job took him across oceans, navigating through storm and calm seas. Despite the distance, he was the steady hand guiding us from afar. His voice over the phone was firm yet carrying, a reminder that even though he was far away, his heart was always with us. He was kind of strict, setting clear expectations and rules for us to follow. At first, it felt tough. His discipline was unwavering and his standards are high. But as time passed, we understood why. As being far away from home, he wanted to ensure we stay on the right path, safe and focused. On the other side, my tita was the heart of our household. She managed the cleanliness and neatness of the home they had bought for us. She balanced warmth with order, making sure the home was not just clean but also filled with love. Though separated by miles apart, my tito and tita work as a team. His leadership inspired us to be disciplined and strong, while her care made sure we had a loving and orderly environment to grow in. Their combined effort taught us valuable lessons about responsibility, love, and the power of family.